Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through best hidden camera detector apps for iPhone. We're going to look at 5 verified best hidden camera detector apps for iPhone. So let's get started. The first one is called Peek. This app uses your iPhone's camera and flash to detect hidden cameras. It also features a Wi-Fi scanner to find spy devices and GPS trackers on your network. The app offers in-app purchases, including a premium subscription for $6.99. The next we have is the Hidden Spy Camera Finder Pro. This app scans for suspicious devices on your network and features a Bluetooth scanner. It also offers exclusive guides and recommendations for staying safe. The app offers in-app purchases, including a weekly subscription for $2.99. The third on our list is the Hidden Camera Detector. This app uses AI-powered image recognition to detect hidden cameras. It also features a network scanner to find spy devices and GPS trackers on your network. The app offers a premium subscription for $3.99 per month. The next on our list is the Spy Camera Detector. This app scans for hidden cameras and spy devices using your iPhone's camera and flash. It also features a Wi-Fi scanner to find devices on your network. The last on our list is the Hidden Spy Camera Detector app. This app detects hidden cameras and spy devices using your iPhone's camera and flash. It also features a network scanner to find devices on your network.